Around 16 o'clock, a sudden storm struck the Chinese capital. The sky darkened rapidly as thunderclouds rolled in. Wind gusts reached speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour, causing panic among residents. The rain began abruptly and quickly turned into a downpour. People caught outside were taken by surprise by the violent river. Many sought shelter in shops, under bridges, and in subway stations. The wind lifted debris and tree branches, disrupting traffic flow. Fallen trees blocked several streets. There were also reports of damaged road signs and advertising billboards. In parking lots, several vehicles were crushed by fallen trees. Subway trains temporarily reduced speed for safety reasons. Bus routes experienced delays and partial suspensions. Taxis and private vehicles moved cautiously in the storm. The rainfall was accompanied by lightning and loud claps of thunder. Eyewitnesses said the wind was so strong it bent young trees. Storm drains quickly became overwhelmed. Flooding occurred on low-lying roads. Some pedestrian crossings became impassable. In the Chaoyang and Heilongjiang districts, roofs were torn off temporary structures.
Second Esdras 15 verse 39. And strong winds shall arise from the east, and shall open it, and the cloud which he raised up in wrath, and the stars stirred to cause fear toward the east and west wind. Cause fear toward the east and west wind shall be destroyed. The great and mighty clouds shall be lifted up, full of wrath, and the star that they may make all the earth afraid, and them that dwell therein. And they shall pour out over every high and eminent place and horrible star. Shalom. So once again, the Most High is beating down Beijing China and other parts of China. And with that, I'll say, Shalom.